Welcome to your paint pouring DIY clock kit. In this video, we'll show you how to create your own unique masterpiece, from pouring your paint to building a real working clock. Inside your kit, you've got a main clock board, a practice board, a collapsible mixing cup, 5 bottles of craft paint, gemstone stickers, a clock kit with the hour and minute hands, an adhesive wall hook, positioning paper, a sheet of number stickers, disposable tablecloth, 2 disposable straws, and 2 sets of disposable gloves. Now that you're all set, let's get started. First things first, let's set up your space. Lay down the disposable tablecloth, put on your gloves, and get your practice board ready. Keep the main clock board close by, but save it for your final pour. Get your practice board and try out some paint pouring techniques. These are just ideas to get you started. You can pour however you like. There's no wrong way to do it. Now, we're going to review a few different paint pouring techniques to inspire you. Technique number 1, flip cup pour. Get your silicone cup and pour in your colors one at a time down the side. Layer as many as you like. The first color usually shows up the most. Next, place your board on top of the cup, flip them over together, and lift the cup slowly. Watch the paint flow out. It's so satisfying. Your silicone cup is collapsible, so be gentle when pressing down. Tilt your board gently to spread the paint around. If the edges need help, just use the straw to blow the paint into place. Technique number 2, puddle pour. Pour small amounts of different colors right on top of each other, directly onto the board. Once you've got your puddle, tilt the board slowly to spread it out, and use your straw to move the paint where you want it. Technique number 3, dirty pour. Layer your paints in the silicone cup, one color on top of the other, but don't mix them. Then, pour it all onto your board however you like. Tilt the board to let the colors flow and spread. And as usual, use the straw if you want to guide the paint into certain spots. Paint pouring is bold, messy, and always a surprise. When you're done, let it dry flat in a safe spot for 24 to 48 hours. No poking or moving while it dries. Once your board is completely dry, it's time to decorate. Use the positioning paper to line up the stickers at 12, 3, 6, and 9, or add all the numbers if you'd like. Then, use the gemstone stickers for extra sparkle. Add them as accents or use them instead of numbers. It's your time to shine. It's time to build your clock. This step is best with an adult's help. Remove the tape from the center hole and insert the clock movement from the back. Slide the rubber backstop onto the shaft. Push the shaft through the hole from the back of your main clock board. On the front, slide on the washer. Screw the nut and tighten it just enough to hold the movement firmly in place. Press the hour hand onto the center shaft. Press the minute hand on top of the hour hand. Press the pin into the center to hold everything in place. Insert one AA battery, set the time, and you're good to go. Now for the big reveal. Stick the adhesive wall hook onto a clean wall, hang up your clock, and admire your masterpiece. Hooray! You just made your own working clock. Cleanup is quick and simple. Roll up the tablecloth with your gloves, straws, and messy supplies inside, then toss it out. Done. That's cleanup in no time at all. Great job! Your custom paint pouring clock is ready to brighten up your space. If you had a blast making this, check out all paint pouring craft kits from Purple Ladybug. Shop now and keep creating amazing art, one pour at a time.